Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best face exfoliating scrub brush on the market, the RamPula Facial Cleansing Brush. This innovative 2-in-1 silicone face mask brush and face scrubber combines exfoliating, massaging, and makeup removal functions all in one tool, making it a must-have addition to your skincare routine. The RamPula brush features a clever double-ended design that caters to multiple skincare needs. On one end, you have a spoon-shaped silicone applicator that allows you to easily scoop out your favorite facial masks, creams, or lotions without contaminating the products with your fingers. This ensures that the skincare products stay hygienic and fresh for longer, while also helping you apply them evenly and smoothly to your face. Flipping the brush over, you'll find soft silicone bristles designed to gently massage the skin. These bristles are perfect for deep cleansing, helping to remove blackheads, impurities, and makeup residue without irritating the skin. The softness of the silicone is especially beneficial for sensitive skin types, offering a gentle yet effective exfoliation and massage experience. One of the standout features of this brush is its construction from 100% food-grade silicone. This material is not only safe and gentle on the skin but also incredibly durable and easy to clean. Unlike traditional brushes that can harbor bacteria in their bristles, the smooth silicone surface is naturally antibacterial and resistant to mold and mildew. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse with water and the brush dries quickly, making it ideal for daily use. The compact size and ergonomic design make it convenient to hold and maneuver around all areas of the face, including those tricky spots like around the nose and under the eyes. The brush's flexibility allows it to comfortably contour to the skin, enhancing the overall cleansing and mask application process. Beyond facial care, this versatile tool can also be used on the body for applying lotions, mud masks, and other skincare products. Its multi-functionality makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to streamline their beauty routine with one simple yet effective tool. Whether you're at home or running a professional beauty salon, the RamPula Facial Cleansing Brush offers a hygienic, efficient, and pleasant way to take care of your skin. The fluid-resistant silicone surface helps reduce product waste by allowing even spreading, while its softness minimizes skin irritation. It is suitable for all skin types, from dry and sensitive to oily and combination skin. In summary, the RamPula Facial Cleansing Brush stands out because it combines practical design with high-quality materials, giving you an all-in-one solution for applying masks, exfoliating dead skin cells, massaging, and removing makeup. Its ease of cleaning, durability, and gentle touch make it an excellent investment for achieving clearer, healthier, and more radiant skin. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your skincare routine with the best face exfoliating scrub brush, the RamPula Facial Cleansing Brush is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.